The mischievous dog. A dog lives in a small village. He is friendly, but he is also very naughty. He runs into people's homes, breaks pots, chases chickens, and steals food from baskets. Everyone in the village gets angry at him. People complain to the owner every day. "Your dog is too mischievous. He destroys everything." The owner feels tired of the complaints, so he tries something new. He ties a small bell around the dog's neck. The bell rings every time the dog moves. The mischievous dog hears the sound and becomes proud. He walks around the village, shaking his head so the bell makes more noise. He thinks, "Everyone can hear me now. I am important." But the other dogs laugh at him. One old dog says, "Why are you proud? That bell is not an award. It is a warning. It tells people to watch out for your bad behavior." The mischievous dog stops walking. He finally understands. The bell does not mean he is special. It means everyone is careful of him because of his actions. Slowly, he begins to behave better, and the bell becomes quiet.